If you're interested in processing your own lumber with a chainsaw mill, then you've come to the right place. In this 7-part video series, I'll share with you an overview of chainsaw milling gear and techniques, which will hopefully give you some motivation to get started with milling yourself. In the first 2 episodes in this series, I gave a review and demonstration of 2 different chainsaw mills, the Granberg G777 small log mill and the larger G778 Alaskan mill. In this video, we'll take a look at using a chainsaw mill winch system, which makes a long, hard day of milling much easier and much faster. Manhandling big, heavy slabs of freshly cut wood and operating a powerful chainsaw for hours on end can really kick your butt. When the job is done, you can sometimes feel like you've spent the day wrestling a 1,000-pound crocodile. But it's a small price to pay for getting your hands on potentially hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of premium wood. As I often point out, the equipment that you buy for chainsaw milling will often pay for itself in just 1 or 2 uses. Now, there are ways to make the actual hard labor of chainsaw milling much easier. Using a high-quality Granberg ripping chain will certainly expedite the process, and along with that, keeping that chain good and sharp will also make things go much smoother and faster. There's also some accessories that you can attach to your Granberg Alaskan mill that can be an enormous help. At the top of the list is the Alaskan winch. I really wish I would have gotten one of these a long time ago. I tried out the winch on a recent milling adventure, and it was an enormous help. In fact, it was like having an extra person on the job. Like all Granberg products, the winch comes nicely packaged with easy-to-follow assembly instructions, as well as helpful information for proper use. The winch goes together very easily with minimal tools and is easy to set up and use when you're out in the field. Of course, it's important to read the directions to make sure you put it together properly and use it correctly. The winch attaches directly to your Granberg Alaskan mill. It comes with an adjustable anchor that you attach to the end of the log that you're milling, and it has 38 feet of rope which enables cutting logs up to 18 feet long. Once you have the winch properly set up and ready to go, you simply crank away while milling your log. Again, the winch saves an enormous amount of time and energy, as it eliminates the need for powering your mill along manually, using your entire body like a mighty Missouri mule. In the next video in this series, we'll take a look at another potential add-on for your chainsaw mill, and that is a roller bracket, which is another piece of gear that can make your milling efforts much more efficient and enjoyable. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.